We are not normal people. Normal people wouldn't choose a career like this. The highs and lows, the go, 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 all out, all the time. You know the way normal people act when they've had too much coffee? We wake up that way. And then we actually have coffee. We smile. We're positive. We're encouraging. We're full of energy and enthusiasm and never say die and onward to the next listing. And we'll find that perfect house. We'll find that perfect buyer. It's out there. It's out there. It's out there, I promise. Don't worry. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. Let's do an open house. I understand you don't want to drop the price. No, of course it's not too early to call. No, it's not too late to call. Sure, I can do that. Sure, I can do that. Sure, we can do that. Because we can do anything, and we love it. But it's exhausting. Of course, we can't show that because we're not normal people. And that's even more exhausting. We chose this career for one simple reason. We're all crazy. We're the people that encourage normal people when the housing market is slow. We're the ones who keep their spirits up when they get down. We make them happy. Our success comes from their success. And that's what makes this crazy. Our success depends on things we can't always control. Sometimes the planets have to be in alignment. And make no mistake, we're out there moving those planets. We move heaven and earth for our clients. And we make it look easy because that's what we do. But when we run into things we can't control, it makes us crazy. Sorry, crazy-er. A slow market is a slow market. We charge the storm because we're KW. But the thing is it's going to be wet. There's going to be lightning and thunder and 1,000-mile-an-hour wind. And it's going to be hard to keep going because somebody said if we charge the storm, that's the fastest way. And that's true. But this storm is huge. And we're wet. And we're exhausted. Sometimes we're only smiling on the outside. We get tired of being positive all the time. And so we rest. We recharge. We do something weird that makes us feel all strange inside. We actually take care of ourselves. Take a class, a course, level up, plus your games and strategies, study the models, skip the coffee and go straight to happy hour. Let one of your cell phones go to voicemail every now and then. Take another class, coaching, training. Talk to people. Talk to people you don't have to sell, who you don't have to encourage, who you don't have to convince that things are normal. Because they're not. But don't ever let yourself start to believe you're like anyone else. Because that's not you. That's not us. We're crazy people running through a storm who think we're bison. Why did the bison cross the storm? To get to the other side. And the weird thing is, to everyone in this room, that makes perfect sense. Because we are not normal people.